Hi, this is Sarah from Agopti, and today I'll show you how to update the profile page. So to get to this page, you can click on Account and then Profile. And so Account tier, there are 3 different tiers: Basic, Advanced, and Premium. Everyone gets the first 5,000 acres for free, and then after that's up, then it defaults to whatever you've selected here. And if you want to find out more about what's included with each tier and how much they cost, that is at the bottom over on this pricing page. So you can select your tier and then select the time zone. OptiLoad, we're going to talk about this in a different video, so I'll skip over that for now. You can select your preference for latitude longitude format, either decimal or degree minute second. For QuickBooks integration, give us a call and we can help you set that up. And then fill out all this information: phone number and address. And then for service area, you want to select the area that you'll usually be spraying in, and that it defaults new fields that you create to that area, and it also downloads the FAA obstacles and drift watch sensitive areas for bees and organic and areas like that for whatever areas you select. So if we zoom in, we can draw a shape by clicking this button, and then let's just draw a shape. And then if you don't like that shape, you can change it by dragging the corners, or click on it and you can hit delete. But once we're done, we can just hit update profile. And there we go, the profile has been updated.